Gizzle Rollin.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, Gizzle skate.
Niggas, they be African, I'm a sinner, I ain't listening to what the pastor say. Wait till you pull up and let the thing go. Catch another body, yeah, I'm finna do. I'ma put you in the dirt if we got issues.
Free my son. Free my dog. This fuck motherfucker here. What's up, bro?
You been rude to me, so I ain't saying shit to you, bro.
How you feeling, bro?
I'm feeling terrible.
Man, I'm gonna be real though.
My rear leaf ain't done. My rear lift ain't done.
Who needs a rear lift anyway?
I do. Check it out. Check it out. Check that bitch out. Clean that bitch out. This bitch don't zoom in worth the shit. Goddamn.
They taking the fun out of scraping.
Yeah, they are.
Like they really.
You gotta
tripping.
drive from Florida all the way to Texas just to turn around.
They really tripping for real though. Like, you know. But I'm about to go park over here. We going to park over here.
Really, you ruined the freaking.
Had to stop for a little pit stop. Cause right here wanted some cane.
Famished.
Got cane. We out here. I ain't gonna lie, bro. They really taking the fun out of scraping this year. We really can't do the shit we normally do for scraping. And this Jumpman Jay garbage ass. Yeah, I'm talking about your ass, Jay. Say hey to the vlog. What it do, cuz? Uh-oh. Where you at, Brad?
Everybody spam that button.
What you want?
Oh, speaking of spam that button, spam that motherfucking subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah.
Stand in the middle of the road, watch.
Just lay in the middle of that motherfucker.
Huh?
Hey, Brad,
See, if I lay in this motherfucker, somebody gonna die.
Just up.
Huh?
Hold the line that bitch up. First one on board.
Fuck no. Fuck no. Hey, hold it. Rudy say line that motherfucker up.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Uh-oh.
Brad ain't gonna race.
Uh-oh. You hear me? Uh-oh.
Ready?
Oh, you ain't even close. Hold up,
Go, you gotta run him.
Hey, you got 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
3, 2, 1.
Here go.
Wait, go. Go!
Where we at, Dylan? Where we at, Dylan?
Scraping the motherfucking coast.
2023.
Ragged ass shit on somewhere. That bitch ain't even going nowhere. Oh, here we go. We got a Subaru. Got the Subaru, I think. Look. Oh, Subaru and a Chevy. They about to run. Mile car. We getting it.
They running it.
Lining them up.
You got your.
Hey, Brad, bring her up some.
I gotta run.
Who you got your money on?
I don't know. The Subi.
I like right lane. I like right lane. I like right lane.
I got the Subi. I got the Subi.
Let me see.
Hold it. That was the
Rudy say line that slab up.
Hey, he don't want that work.
Hey, they dropping so much motherfucking oil out this bitch, dog. No cap.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
Go!
Hold up, cuz. That bitch ain't even moving. So Rudy said you gonna line that slab up or what?
Man, Rudy don't want to work. All I
He
tell
don't want that smoke.
Nah, I got 6'2", with a stage 3 cam in it.
Come on, bro.
Told him 2,500. He said he ain't got. He said he had the money. So
My boy Dylan just
I told him
said
race for free. So
he's calling you out right now.
What up, G?
what's up, son?
So, what's 10K Creations again?
Shit, just a group, cuz.
What's the Instagram page?
I ain't one.
Bro. That's that new Max track lift.
Hey, where all of it?
Which hole?
Hey, see this shit getting weak. These niggas still rushing stealers. They run up on me, they can't let them feel it. My left should be out, but that's it. My family don't feel me. These bitch niggas say they gon' kill me. I'm about to just drop. Why I do good and I'm getting shit. He got better freaking been running through shit like me. Here we are rapping that bit. I was in this shit. That nigga ain't never been in. These niggas a 10 for a cent. I'm signing this different. I'm bringing suit up on the mission.
Hey, you know what's going on? Hey, hit that post notification, hit that like button, subscribe.
Yes, sir.
Hit the comments, you know what's up.
Yes,
If
sir.
you made it this far in the video, hey, comment truck me. You know
Yes,
what's up. Hey, look, you see what we got going on?
Dumb shit. Whole lot of chrome going on. Stop playing on my topic. What's that?
Brother, how you been, son?
Man, running all over the city. Running from city to city, tired of this shit.
Man, I done been through some shit today, bro. Fuck, damn.
Okay, this nigga done told me he done been pulled up. How much have you been pulled over? Oh shit! And the Chrysler.
Ah, you already know the Chrysler, the Tahoe, everything out here, you heard me? Yeah.
Go ahead and sit it. What y'all gonna do?
Hey, come look at this.
Huh?
Hey, get a pussy nigga around me. Fuck that boy. Boy from Woodville. I'm from the small town, number trees, nice young man. Go to church every Sunday.
LTZs?
Skating on these.
Check his feet out.
Thugging. Scraping 23.
Hey.
Scraping 23.
Bro, I got this habit every time I see a bitch with flip-flops on.
Time out.
What the fuck is really good though? Anyone know what I'm finna do while I leave here?
Dirty fingers and all. Dirty fingers. Sticky fingers.
Look.
Oh my goodness.
Sticky fingers. That bitch there loping there. We laying some shit back. We laying some shit back mid-trade. Vontae, what we doing?
You laying this bitch back.
Mid-trade. Uh-oh. Damn! Shit! Shit! Shit!
I'm gonna have to get another jack on the other side.
Hey, lift up on this bitch. A bunch of
Shit!
Lift up on it.
Pick the truck up.
Come on.
We ain't helping there. See, pick the truck up.
You ain't gotta go that far.
If we all lift up on it, it'll work.
Come on, everybody put it. Come on.
Well, that bitch,
just give me another
that bitch laying down, shit.
Another jack.
You took the springs out?
Hell yeah.
Oh, fuck. A bump stop for real.
On my mama. Look.
Where you dropping that thing back from when you leave here?
Louisiana? Fuck them springs.
Tell them how you thugging it, brother.
We coming. That's how we coming, you heard me?
We skating the tie, bro. We skating the tie. We skating the squat check.
YOLO Dolo, you heard me? Fuck it.
Hey, y'all got that other jack?
Oh, yeah, the other jack.
What you got going on out here? Man,
Got my homeboy Will. Me and him been close for years, bro. You can tell. We kind of looking like.
You get a block or something? Block. Yeah,
You nigga got a pit stop going on out this bitch.
You got a block hook.
I ain't got damn block.
That bitch ain't got no suspension.
Bruh.
Do it again.
Damn.
That bitch ain't got no suspension.
Squat check, Vontae. Damn.
That nigga go run over a fucking cigarette. That bitch go.
God damn.
Nigga said I could run over a cigarette.
That bitch gon' fall. You run over a cigarette, nigga. I ain't lying. Fuck it though.
Nigga gonna think I hit a human. I hit a.
That about to be real.
Nigga about to end this bitch off, bro. Man, brother Will, bro.
Hey.
It's 1:54 in the morning. We gotta get up at 6. And
To be on time. For
To
real.
be on time. So my old lady and that motherfucker miserable right now.
Yours, mine, and I'm ready to go. You know what time it is.
Hey, so we gonna start the video off tomorrow, me and Will, and my other partner, Boosie. So y'all gonna see us, bro. This part 2 of the first scraping vlogs, I think. So, all right, bet, bye. Fuck all that.